Everybody remember that this formula inverse Laplace transform. This is Laplace transform, this is inverse Laplace transform. Both process are vice versa process. Laplace 1 by s, you write Laplace 1 by s. Laplace 2, you write 2 by s. Laplace 3, you write 3 by s. Then you write Laplace k, you write k by s. Now, these both processes are vice versa process. Inverse Laplace of 1 by s, value 1. Inverse Laplace of 2 by s, value 2. Inverse Laplace of k by s, value k. Understood? Okay. Idea है क्या मित्रों? Laplace e raised to 2t. What is formula of Laplace e raised to 2t? A is equal to 2. You write 1 by s minus 2. Okay. Now suppose I write Laplace e raised to minus 2t. You write s equal to s plus 2. Okay. Now suppose I write Laplace e raised to 3t. What is the formula of Laplace e raised to 3t? A is equal to 3. That's why I put here a is equal to 3 here. Then I write Laplace s minus 3. Suppose I write Laplace e raised to minus 3t. You write 1 by s plus 3. Okay. Now I take inverse Laplace. Laplace inverse 1 by s minus 2. Look at here. S minus 2. What is the formula of s minus 2? E raised to 2t. That's why I write here e raised to 2t. Suppose I write Laplace inverse 1 by s plus 2. So you write e raised to minus 2t. I write Laplace inverse 1 by s minus 3. So you write e raised to 3t. Laplace inverse 1 by s plus 3. You write e raised to minus 3t. Idea है ये मित्रों? Okay. Now I write Laplace inverse sin 80. So what is the formula of sin 80? A by s square plus a square. Suppose I put here a is equal to 1. That's why I substitute here a is equal to 1. Okay. Laplace of sin 3t. Sin 3t નો Laplace શું થાય? 3 by s square plus 9. Laplace of sin 40. Sin 40 નો Laplace 4 by s square plus 16. Now I write here Laplace inverse 1 by s square plus 9. What is the formula of 1 by s square plus 9? Observe here, a square is equal to 9. Okay, that means a is equal to 3. I substitute here a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Then you write 1 by 3 sin 3. Okay. Suppose I write 1 by s square plus 4. So what we are right here, a square is equal to 4. That means a is equal to 2. You write 1 by 2 sin 2t. Suppose I write here 1 by s square plus 4. You write 1 by 2 sin 2t. Okay, understood? बालकों, next I write Laplace s by s square plus 4 inverse. First understood what is the Laplace cos t. cos s ને s થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય sin એટલે એ પ્રોનાઉન્સિએશન થાય એટલે એ થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય આટલું રિમેમ્બર રાખજો હે હા હવે જો લાપ્લાસ cos 3t what we write cos એટલે s થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય e is equal to કેટલા 9 e is equal to 3 you write s square plus 9 cos root 2t what we write s by s square plus root 2 no square 2 okay now here inverse Laplace s by s square plus 4 what is 4 4 ની વેલ્યુ શું છે e squared is equal to 4 that's why you write here cos 2t suppose I write here s by s square plus 2 then e squared is equal to 2 that means e is equal to 2 that's why you write cos root 2 t. Now what is the formula of Laplace inverse I write here s by s square plus 9 you write cos 3t look at here I write here Laplace cos hyperbolic 3t what is different between here hyperbolic function the hyperbolic function માં શું આવે ફક્ત નેગેટિવ સાઇન આવે પોઝિટિવ નું નેગેટિવ થઈ ગયું cos hyperbolic 3t you write s by s square minus 9 observe this one this okay this type of example asked in GTU MCQ type suppose I write here cos hyperbolic t by 2 okay what we are write here s by s square minus 1 half whole square means 1 by 4 okay now there's a similar way I write here Laplace inverse s by s square minus 4 તો તમારો આન્સર શું આવશે cos hyperbolic 2t Laplace inverse s by s square minus 2 you write cos hyperbolic root 2t suppose I write here Laplace inverse s by s square plus 9 suppose I write here s plus 3 how to solve this type of question Laplace inverse s by s square plus 9 plus 3 by s square plus 9 okay what is s by s square plus 9 that means s આવ્યો ને તો શું આવે cos that's why cos 3t plus 3 1 by 3 sin 3t understood all this formula બધી આ ટાઈપની ફોર્મ્યુલા તમને યાદ રહી ગઈ ને મિત્રો ઓકે આ ટાઈપની આ 6 ફોર્મ્યુલામાં કઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો બોલો હવે નેક્સ્ટ વન Laplace t raised to n Laplace suppose I write here Laplace t square what is n here n is equal to 2 that's why you write 2 factorial by s is to 2 plus 1 3 okay suppose I write here Laplace t raised to 3 by 2 when I use here n is fractional form that's why we must use here gamma type n is equal to 3 by 2 you write 3 by 2 plus 1 s is to 3 by 2 plus 1 okay now everybody know about the gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n what is n n is equal to 3 by 2 that's why I write here 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 then s is to 3 by 2 plus 1 now make partition of 3 by 2 what is the partition of 3 by 2 you write 1 half plus 1 1 half plus 1 means 3 by 2. Now n is equal to 1 half. You write 1 half gamma 1 half. Okay. Now everybody know about the gamma 1 half is root pi. That's why I write here 3 by 2 into 1 half root pi s is to 5 by 2. Any problem? Now we are going to inverse Laplace. What is inverse Laplace of 1 by s is to 4? Okay, s is to 4. Okay, now what is n? N is equal to 4. Okay, here substitute n is equal to 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 3 factorial. Here you get answer. Okay, now I write here Laplace inverse 1 by s is to 5. What is the value of s is to 5? N minus 1 is equal to 5. Decreased item number, that t is to 4 by 4 factorial. Suppose I write here Laplace 1 by s is to 3 by 2. Look at here. Which formula we apply? Okay, कौन सी formula हम use करेंगे? s is to 3 by 2. Observe, look at here. આ ફોર્મ્યુલા જો આનું ઇન્વર્સ લાપ્લાસ કરીએ તો શું થાય? લાપ્લાસ ઇન્વર્સ 1 by s is to n plus 1 is equal to t raised to n divided by gamma n plus 1. Okay, what is n plus 1? Observe here. N plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now put n plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now n is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1, answer 1 half. Okay, that's why you write t raised to 1 half divided by gamma 1 half plus 1, and t raised to 1 half. Gamma 1 half means 1 half gamma 1 half. What is value of gamma 1 half? Root pi. Okay, that's why you write 2 square root t divided by pi, root pi. Okay, this type of example asking MCQ type example. Okay, any problem, friends? Any problem? હવે જો ફર્સ્ટ શિફ્ટિંગ જોઈએ. શું જોઈએ? ફર્સ્ટ શિફ્ટિંગ. Laplace e raised to 80 sin bt. Everybody know about when I write here e raised to 3t sin 4t. What we are doing? First take Laplace of sin 4t. I write here s by s square plus 16. Okay. Now here e is equal to which value? E is equal to 3. That's why replace s is equal to s minus 3. Suppose this type of question e raised to minus 3t sin 4t. That's why you write 4 by s square plus 16. Replace s is equal to s plus 3. Okay, here plus 3 I put minus 3. Here minus 3 I put s plus 3. That's why you get answer s minus 3 whole square plus 16. This is first shifting theorem. S minus 3 whole square, s plus 3 whole square plus 16. Suppose I write here cos. Here cos means s minus 8. Sine hyperbolic, this type of.